As soon as you send out your tech packs, you're giving away your intellectual property. The factories could take your tech pack and create the garment and sell it on their own.
Yes, they could.
A startup could argue, I don't want to do tech packs because I'm afraid that if I do a really good tech pack and I send it to a factory and they see my design and they decide to knock me off, and then I'm screwed.
Yep.
Okay, that's logical. But then what else are you going to do? You're going to send them. How are you going to describe to them what it is that you need made?
Right. I mean, what are you going to do? Not put your products on sale either because somebody could copy them?
Exactly.
It's just
what I tell people is
business.
If you pay a freelance tech packer like Belinda and she creates a tech pack of your like latest and greatest designs and you're afraid to send it out to factories, to say 5 or 6 factories because someone might knock you off. So then what you could do is you could say, okay, Belinda, I would like you to create a second tech pack, similar, dumb it down, take out whatever special features, unique selling points from my garment, and then I will send that version to the factories just to get an approximate price.
Yeah.
That's what I recommend to people if they're worried about having their designs knocked off. But you've got to send something in writing with measurements, a BOM, point of measurement chart, details about the hang tags, care labels, poly bags to the factory so that they can tell you if they can make it. They can give you a price estimate. And if they decide to go forward or you decide to go forward, they can actually make you a sample.
Yeah, that's a very smart idea. Yeah. Or you could also maybe create just another copy of your file and blur out maybe some of the graphics or labels or a couple of measurements or something if you were really worried, and then wait till you've signed an agreement with the supplier before actually sending them the full unredacted version.